Hey guys, we've been shooting a lot of video with SSP with all the cars and stuff. I'll bring you to my house, show you my little collection I have of what I like to call my favorite cars in the world. Here's my garage. It's almost done, but I think it's the time I show you guys what I got inside. It took me about a year and a half to build it. Come walk in with me, I'll show you guys what I have inside. This would be considered like the ultimate man cave. And we do a lot of cool things inside. You guys should subscribe to our channel and see all the cool cars we build inside of here, work on. This is my massive 4 foot wide door. Come on in. I'll show you guys my hangout spot. We have our man cave lounge area. Well, we got a friend here lounging with us today. Supervising, making sure we're doing everything. Oh, I gotta show you guys this. No, I'll show you guys at the end. So here's all the stuff we have today currently in the garage. Most of it, well, all of it's my collection minus the Lexus, which is my friend's. I'm gonna open the door. See, nobody can open it from in there, so. And it's been a little bit of a mess because we've been working here all day. But I have two Imola Orange NSXs in here. We've been restoring. They both have Imola Orange interior in them. Come on, I'll walk you up some more. This is my favorite car here. I drive this on daily. Let me show you guys the interior of this car. That's gonna be a little tight because Lexus is a little too high. Come down here, I'll show you guys. Might have to come around. Ow. Yeah, be careful. I'll open up the engine bay. I'll show you guys what I have underneath here. So the motor blew up a few years ago, well, maybe 2 years ago, and so we built a 3.5 liter stroker motor with a 2.3 liter supercharger. Pretty fast, putting about a little over 400 to the wheels. I drive this when I want to drive an NSX. The other cars are pretty much just stock, bone stock cars we don't mess around with. I personally got about 125 in the car. And we wash and wax it daily. I don't know if I can show you the inside of that car. Let me show you. If you can see it. Come take a look inside here. It's full carbon. The car's got about 21,000 miles on it. It's a very fun car to drive. This car here, if you guys want to see what it looks like inside, this is a stock Imola. This car never really gets driven. It is as stock as they come. I've got one car up here. I don't know if you guys can see this car up here, but I've got I don't know if you can catch the front end of this thing. This is an 05 red on tan, 22,000 mile NSX. I don't drive it. I've owned it for 4 years. It's one of my collectors. I don't know if you can look at the underneath of this thing. You can pretty much eat off it. Come around this side. Get a better view from the inside here. I spent about a year putting this garage together. We do have parties in here, but that's for a later time. that's my right-hand drive. Imported that one from Japan. I'm still waiting for seats. I've ordered from Honda, so they'll probably parked up there for a while till the seats come in, and then we'll been at a 2-year build on that car, full restoration. It's been a while, 2 years to get it back to looking brand new, and we're still working on it. This is my 04 Imola. We just had this thing torn down, repainted. It had a lot of scuffs and nicks here and there, and now we're waiting for interior. If you can see inside here, oh, it's locked. In the garage, and it's already locked. And the keys are hiding somewhere. Oh no, it's not locked. But I've got new step plates. The carpet's really dirty. I'm gonna pull the carpet out. I got fresh new carpet for it. I've got fresh new seats. So we're slowly going through the car, making everything absolutely perfect in the car. This will be probably one of the nicest Imolas around when I'm done with it. May sit here for another year until we get all the parts we need for the car. There's my little workbench where I do all my tinkering, all my electronics and stuff, laying out the bolts and all that stuff here. And yes, I also have a drinking problem. As you can see, I'm a fan of Don Julio 1942. When I get pissed off at something, that's my wall of 42. Oh yeah, I gotta show you guys the best part of the whole entire garage is in the bathroom. So when they got, not Osama, but when they got the other guy in Iraq, I forgot that guy's name. He had a gold toilet. Well, they gave it to me. I'm kidding. But I got myself my own gold shitter. That's cool. But the gold toilet, every man cave should have a gold toilet. As tacky as it is, every man cave should have a gold toilet. If you guys are around, come by the house, take a shit, enjoy yourself. That's all I got, Corey. That's all I got.